Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords, passkeys and accounts. So here we've got the section Accounts for Owner, and this is the account we've previously added. So let's begin with removing it. All we have to do is to tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, confirm it with OK, and confirm it also with your screen lock. And as you can see, it will be immediately removed. So the same situation if you wish to add the account. Again, enter passwords, passkeys, etc. and tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Confirm everything with your screen lock. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.